All right, for this lesson, you get to read the first part of this book. You'll read it throughout the unit. Today, you're just reading the prologue and chapter 1. It is a historical fiction book, so it's based on a true story, and then the author made up some of the details. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're actually just going to look through and look at the illustrations, look at the pictures to see what sort of things you think might be happening, what do you wonder about, what can you predict, what sort of mood is created. So that's what you're going to do first, and then tell me, what did the illustrations make you think about the topic of the book? And then you're looking for the main conflict between Anna and Ms. Eleanor. So conflict, remember, is some sort of problem, something that's happening that's not going well. So describe that for me. What's this problem? What's this conflict that's happening between those two? Okay, you're just reading pages 2 through 9. So when you get to here, you can stop for this week. Now, if you want to read the whole thing and then just reread it when we get to it or answer the questions about it, that's fine. But the questions really focus on those first pages 2 through 9. So enjoy. I think you'll enjoy learning about this historical event that you might not know that much about. And yeah, just getting a picture into a story that's pretty exciting. If you have any questions, let me know. As always, I'm more than happy to define words for you, help you understand what's happening, things like that. Okay, good luck.